In the world of finance, some days don't make sense. Just last week, analysts were calling First Solar the only game in town for solar energy. But yesterday, the stock of America's largest solar manufacturer plummeted by nearly 18% in a single day. So what happened? Why did a financially strong, leading company suddenly crash? The answer isn't inside the company. It's inside the US Senate. Let's break it down. The main reason for this sudden drop is a new proposal in the US Senate to phase out federal tax credits for solar and wind energy by 2028. These tax credits are a huge incentive that makes solar energy cheaper and more attractive, directly boosting First Solar's sales. The simple threat of losing this government support in the coming years was enough to scare the market and cause this massive sell. But here's what makes the story complex. First, Solar is not a weak company. It's the largest solar panel manufacturer in the United States, and it has a unique thin film technology that doesn't rely on the silicon used by its Chinese competitors. This gives them a strategic advantage. Financially, the company has been growing and has healthy profit margins. So this isn't a story of a bad company. It's a story of a good company facing a new political storm. So what happens next? On one hand, you have a market leader with unique technology and a strong financial position. On the other, you have a serious political threat that could impact future profits. The big question for investors is whether this stock drop is an overreaction or the beginning of a new reality for the solar industry. This situation is a perfect example of why investing isn't just about numbers. It's also about understanding politics and industry-wide risks. The future for First Solar will likely depend heavily on the final outcome of this Senate proposal. If you want to stay updated on complex financial stories like this, broken down in a simple way, make sure to subscribe to the Clarity Ledger. We're here to help you understand the why behind the headlines. And now, a question for you. Do you think governments should subsidize green energy companies? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching.